Clearbrook, North Dallas, Argyle, Texas. 2024 GX550. Only a few of these in the Dallas area. About 20 were dropped off at Sewell. Another 10 to 15 dropped off at Park Place. Maybe a total of 50 in the whole Metroplex. But we got one of the first ones. There's another one just like this behind it. This one's just all clear wrap. The next one's gonna be all clear with a black gloss hood to match the gloss optional black top. Let's take a look at what we got here. Fully tinted in XR Plus. 15 on the fronts, a little bit darker than normal, with limo in the back. This one's got every option on it, to the massage seats, to the black top, all the suspension settings, everything. This is called a Overture Plus with the 33s for the tires. This guy's gonna put a little bit bigger tire on it, but yeah, nevertheless, let's take a look at what we got. So when we wrap this, we're sure to make sure that everything gets wrapped, all our edges, everything gets done. I got a vet back here that was done like 8 years ago. We're gonna take a look at those edges as opposed to today's technology and how everything gets wrapped in. It's a little tight, but we still got it not in, but we got it tight. There's nothing I could do. I don't take the bumper and fender apart. These come off real simple so we can get back there. These don't get wrapped. They're a rough plastic. Smart move on this if it's gonna be out in the brush, because those are replaceable, no problem. They're just plastic. They do come on the, I think it's the premium with a matching paint, but different wheels and everything. And then coming back here, all these black pieces were wrapped. These were taken off. This was popped off. The back one, the whole roof is done. Roof, whatever you want to call it, all wrapped in. A lot of particular work. This little trim piece around the windshield comes off so we can wrap it here. The windshield's gonna get done later with the XR Plus 70. We haven't had a chance to get to it. It's the only thing we haven't done. We got that, there's a camera that comes with this for recording traffic. We're gonna have to do that custom, but we just wanna make sure that we can seal that off so we don't get any water in it. And then coming around the bottom, all this is done. All this, not this. This is done in stealth. This bottom piece. This gets done, but all this gets omitted, so the piece goes all the way around. Coming around more on this side, wrapping all our edges in the fenders, the hood, so there's no visible line. There's no line the way we do this at Clearbrook, North Dallas. Yeah, the edges are wrapped in all the way back. This trim piece came off over here. It just pops off, and we wrap in there. Everything is good. This piece comes off real simple, comes off. Up here, all this comes off so we can wrap deep in there. Let's continue to our doors. Everything's wrapped in. Wrapped in this side, sorry about the water. We just rinsed it off. And then the handles, they come out real simple so we can wrap under these so there's no lines, we don't have any seams. All our door edges are done. All the way on the inside. This is the plug we take out. The door handle comes out like a simple plug. Goes right back in, no issues. And here we take this piece off. This is a piece of trim. It's not glued on. It just has little clips. You can see them right there. Comes off, we wrap under there. These little pieces come off. See how they fit kind of loose? It's our technology today. And we wrap all the way under. So when you look at this thing, there's virtually no lines. That's what I go for every time. Just like on this GT3. Took a few things off of this to get that nice wrapped in look. Same thing here. I'm gonna show you that vet from about 7, 8 years ago that got wrapped. Come back here, lights come out real simple. Everything wraps in. Coming in here, this piece comes off, it's just a fascia. Coming in here, these plastic pieces pop up. We actually took this off and put it back. I just went and bought a new one actually. In here, no big deal, this window comes up and everything goes in beautifully. Here's our button. Let's get some water going there. Yeah, we just rinsed it to get all our soap off. These things get pretty soapy when we're doing it. So coming around, this is a nice easy piece. See, it's just the way it is. You pay $100 grand for these things and it's amazing. They're just clips, plastic clips. This one comes off too, so we can wrap underneath. We just take the extra time and dedication to making it the way we want. It's all about the detail. If we can't get in there, like right here, I can't wrap in there. There's not enough room for 2 pieces of 8 mil for 16 total. So we get it tight. You can barely see that line off of this reflective atomic silver, it's called. And then these just pop back, no big deal. the fuel port, wrap the door in all the way. It's locked. But there it is. There's the overall Trail Plus, fully wrapped Xpel Ultimate Plus, topped off with a ceramic coating, and it looks beautiful. So that's the new 2024 Lexus Trail Plus that replaced the GX460. And I gotta tell you, this thing's pretty cool. V6 twin turbo. I haven't driven one yet, but I'm sure it's quite impressive, and it's got a lot of options. So this one's optioned out, every box. So there it is. Appreciate you guys watching our YouTube channel. ClearbrowNorthDallas.com, Clearbrow North Dallas and Argyle. 214-414-3809, or you can reach me on a cell, text 940-703-8301. There we go. And the time, I tend to work a little late. It's 4:30 in the morning. I've been here since yesterday at 9 just to get this guy done, get this guy fixed up. This is an old wrap, and you can just see all the lines. So the person wants it cleaned up a little bit, replace what I can from things that punch through. It's an old SunTech wrap that was a 5-year guarantee. Still looks good, and I got to finish this guy up today and then get over there and finish all that stuff up. So appreciate you guys watching. Clearbrow North Dallas. Any questions, feel free to shoot them to me. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.